This question is from ISI MSQE PEB sample question 2017. So it was released by ISI in 2017 as a sample paper. Question is that the supply curve of any firm in a competitive industry is SI equal to P by 2. If a firm produces 3 units of output, what are its total variable costs? Okay. So perfect competition की बात हो रही है. That means equilibrium में price will be equal to marginal cost. That's the first thing you need to know. And integration of marginal cost will be equal to total cost, which is nothing but total variable cost plus total fixed cost. Okay. So let's see. You have supply equal to P by 2. Okay. And that means 2Q will be equal to P. Okay. And using this, I can say that this is equal to marginal cost. Okay. So I have marginal cost equal to twice of the quantity. Okay. Now what I can do is I can integrate both sides with respect to Q. So integration of marginal cost with respect to quantity will be equal to integration of 2Q with respect to quantity, which is equal to 2Q square by 2 plus some arbitrary constant. Okay. So it will be equal to Q square plus arbitrary constant, which simply means, which it is equal to TC, which means Q square is the variable cost, and this, whatever this C is, it is the total fixed cost. So I have TVC equal to Q square. Now what I need is, I need the total variable cost at quantity equal to 3. So that means at quantity equal to 3, it will be equal to 3 square, which is equal to 9. Hence, answer is C. That's it.